gases like hydrogen, helium, oxygen, and neon, which form a very wispy atmosphere between stars. This gas is called the interstellar medium. Like a bicycle traveling in a crosswind, the wind that the solar system feels is actually a combination of the solar system's movement relative to the galaxy and the movement of the interstellar medium itself. The solar wind pushes out against this galactic wind, forming a bubble called the heliosphere. The outer boundary is called the heliopause and is blown into a teardrop shape by the galactic wind. IBEX, or the Interstellar Boundary Explorer, is designed to study this region from Earth orbit and has now made the first direct measurements of hydrogen, oxygen, and neon from outside the solar system. Many instruments have seen the characteristic spectra of elements outside the solar system, but IBEX is actually detecting atoms from interstellar space that punch through the heliopause and strike the spacecraft. Only some of the atoms that make up the galactic wind can do this. Much of the galactic wind is made up of ions, which are atoms with charge due to missing electrons. The remaining atoms are neutral. They have the same number of electrons and protons. The ions are deflected by the magnetic field of the Sun, just like the magnetic field of the Earth deflects the solar wind, but the neutral atoms are unaffected and go straight through. The measurement of these atoms by IBEX has enabled scientists to get a better grasp on the environment around our solar system. The speed of the galactic wind registered around 52,000 miles per hour, which is
And for me, it's like a forest with some trees, and there's a bunch of stuff in the leaf litter, and there's plants, and there's bugs, and there's fungus, and there's microorganisms. But of course,